Well, hello family. In this video, we need to talk about Dege token. Of course, we will check out the chart how it's going because this token is trending like crazy. So of course, apart from the fundamentals, the token supply, we need to dig deep and take a look at its chart. What is the future hold about this token? Is it really about to pump or it is about to dump? That is what we will find out in this video through technical analysis. So without further delay, let's jump right in to talk about Dege token. Now again, before I begin, like I always say, this is a trading channel. I share everything about trading, and of course I share technical analysis and help you take a decision. So again, if you can support me, do subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon, and of course join my telegram for further details. So here we have Dege token. If you know this token right over here, it became famous overnight and people are going crazy after it. You can see the number of holders already 60,000 plus, which is quite insane, I can say. And again, first of all, if you're someone who don't know or want to buy this token, this is the exchange that you should go, which is jup.ag. It's a decentralized exchange, and if you want to buy the token, you must have at least US dollars and also must have at least some amount of Solana to pay for the gas fee, and you need to have a phantom wallet like this one right over here. So once you have them in place, you can buy the Dege token. Like for 1 USDC I can buy like 27 token as of now, and if I have like maximum, I can buy at around 1400 token and swap it. Just for the swapping you need gas fee, and for that you need soul token. Just like that you can buy this token. So this is the buying process. Now let's go to the technical chart and see what is going on with Degecoin. So here we have the Degecoin. Of course, if you go to the daily chart, the chart is very new, very fresh. You don't see any indicators working here. But if you go down to the time frames, which is 4 hours and 1 hour, you will see some clarity where the token is heading. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, which is a good time frame here, all you need to do is check out the 50 ms and 20 ms. Now this is kind of a support and resistance that acts as a dynamic support and resistance, and you can clearly see these guys, especially the blue one, which is your 20 EMA, is acting as a very good support for this token, which means it is not crashing immediately, it is holding support. That means this is a good buy point for the people who are investing in this token. People are still buying it, by the way, and these candle you can see right over here, the tail of this candle is a proof of it, which means people are still buying it. The token is in the game. Now when we move away from this part and again zoom out, you can draw a fib retracement to check out the bigger support and resistance. You can see here right over here. So in the short term horizon, you can see right now the chart is acting perfectly between this range. You have 0.0355 and 0.045. So clearly it is respecting this range. Again, that means it is not a rug pull, it is not dying immediately. It is a natural trend for a token to pump, then dump, stabilize before the next rally. Of course, this shows the sign of the next rally, which can come anytime if the token don't crash below this 50 MA, which means this part. If the token stabilizes and stay at this level, which is not going below 50 MA, of course it can move further upwards. Otherwise, to go up, it need to have a good momentum, and if it crashes, it will crash directly down to 1 cent, which is quite bad for this token. But for now, things look quite positive for this token if you ask me personally. Now looking at the 1 hour chart, again you will see more clarity. Just look at or observe here. Can you see the pattern? It is going up and down within this range, which is again a good indicator. Let me draw a path line and show you. So this goes up, this goes down, stabilizes, and again it is stuck between this range for quite some time, which is kind of a case. Little bit of up and down is okay, but again if it crashes below this range, like going below like close to 1 cent, then consider it a big time crash. Then you should cash out as soon as possible as it go down below, like say below this 2 cents level, which it did one time, but then it recovered quite fast. Again, these candles are the proof, the low-test candles, that is going up. But again, watch out for this zone, because if it get a good support here, it is likely it's going to go up from here to here and break out, which means if you want to enter, you should enter at the price of 0.05, which is quite decent. That means nearly the bear market is over for this token and it will rise further. But again, not a financial wise, recently they got listed on coin market cap. You can check out their page. I will share the link in the description. And of course, this gives some credibility to the token. The team is trying something to pump this token up by listing on different pages. Of course, not on exchanges yet, but again, this can be a good start. To buy it, I will suggest go with Jupiter Exchange and use Phantom Wallet, use Solana USDC to buy this token if you love it. Of course, not a financial advice, but from a technical point of view, it is stuck between this range, and watch out for it to go below 2 cent. Then means it's going to sell high, or if you want to buy it above 5 cent to be on the safer side. With that, I complete my video. Do remember to subscribe, press the bell icon, and let's meet tomorrow in the new video. Till then, take care. Have a nice day. Thank you.